While at Uptown Mondays, one night, Beenie Man came at Uptown Mondays and him start a vibes with Bounty Killer, which me never know what go on in the street. You know what I mean? So me see big superstar Beenie Man come to me and him start say, oh, Hotta Ball, you forgot play now. Tell Footer come off for the sound. I said, I can't do that, daddy. So him go do it, him go take the mic and him start tell Footer say, yo, listen me, remember when you come down a country and me invite you in the hotel and we say take off your shoes and take off your shoes, your foot stink. And you know what I mean? And from there, him start the vibes and him go sit down back. Him talk a bag of things and him go sit down and then Bounty Killer came and talk a bag of things. So me get for play. So while me get for play, you know, me have the love for music. So me never really a pray in a side. Me never take no side. So when me play, you know, being create a bag of things and me end up start play. So me play the both of them. Me play a rhythm named Showtime at the time. And when I go to boom, I play the Beenie Man. So I say, yo, I can play Beenie Man artist phone. And I play the Bounty Killer, Pan it, Eagle and Ark, you see me? And when I go to boom and play Beenie, the Bounty Killer, the whole place lift up. Then after that now, one of Beenie entourage came to me and tell me, say, yo, them want to play a song. Me don't know nothing about the song, you know, but you don't know me respect is due, you know, Beenie Man that, you know. So I go and put on the song on the turntable. And the song started mash up the place. Cause as me tell you, me never really go a road. Me never used to go stewed on them thing there. So me never really know what going in the street. There wasn't no bag of social media like the place. It was like MySpace only. So me never really know what go on. So Angel and Beenie and Bounty thing. So the song name, the song title, Heart Attack. So the place mash up. So me really lost still, you know. Then me say Bounty Killer get cross and angry and come down there and grab the microphone from me and say, yo, lot of balls, lot of this and lot of that. Yo, Tivalik Yan, Rima Jungle. And start talk about all my place. East Kingston, Mountain View, Rockford, Vineyard Town. None of them no want to see you. I mean, I say, what is? Anyway, I'm going to hold back him spot and I do my thing. And after that, I see Bounty Killer start fight my career. I go to boom and up on a show, a country, where one of the gully youth them a keep. That youth the name Bama and used to be the road manager for Movada when Movada does a bus. And at the time when my artist, me tell you, Sound Trooper did book on the show, and Ricky Trooper was like the opening. He was opening for me. You know what I mean? As the main selector with they on the show. So me did wait and I hold my vibes and stay so bam. Then me say, Bama came to me and I tell me, say, yo, Hotta Ball, you know, me rate you, you know, dog. But you know, the DJ. I say, which DJ? I say, yo, Killer, man. The DJ say, yo, it's either me or you, you know. And you know, I can't say you Hotta Ball, because you know the whole thing already. And I felt away and I left. And from that time, me just start get a fight from the Alliance God, you know? Ground God himself. Me start come off all like
okay. Before so even that, though, I remember
get Uptown Mondays. Cause Bounty Killer is a man who got every party and buy crazy and support everybody. So you know what I mean? Them respect him. So you know, Killer will say, yo, me know I hear the Selector there, you know. And I saw Witty them start push me out. I saw Boom Boom them get the platform, which it done boss already.
Because I remember, wasn't there a Thursdays that Bounty used to keep, and you used to be around there too, you know?
It was at that time
something Alliance Thursday.
Yeah, Alliance Thursday. Me used to keep a thing named Tire Mark Social. And not nice, we team up with Bounty Killer and I keep Alliance Thursday. Him have problem with venue. So him came to me, you know, because me lock down the whole of Eastern Kingston. Me have a venue, come like a me own the venue, 14B. And him came down there and him see the vibes and see our big people. We have every night round the ram. And him say, yo, you know, say I want to move him event and I want to team up with me. So I end up change my event name and use him name and put him in a promotion. And him try use him brain too, you know. You see me? Because him a going like, you know what I mean? Like him a pull all like crowd them.
So, okay, so you, at one point, were you basically being considered an alliance bounty killer select at one point?
Yeah, the alliance rate me from day one in a busy signal, Movado. You know what I mean? Bounty killer himself, same way. You know what I mean? Yeah, he'd have a youth name round killer at the time name. Sheriff, him change him name to Gangole. You know what I mean? And I was artist because you know say yo bounty killer always endorse the youth them same way. The baddest thing being a bounty killer a good youth, you know. Now watch your screw face, man. Now watch your limousine mouth, man.
That's just killer.
Yeah, that a just killer, you see me? Cross, angry. But when you talk to him a different, you know what I mean?
So you're basically moving amongst the man, but you say that night in particular at Uptown Mondays is where everything switched with you and Killer.
Yeah, at the time that when Beenie came, cause Beenie a craftist, you know. Me have to wonder if Beenie work a craft market. Cause him promised me 100,000, 100 dub. And you know what I mean? Him a buy me car a morning and crocus bag of things. So me get at me done with that save me look of money. Me buy a little Toyota Corolla at the time. And the whole street I say I Beenie buy me car. But me just leave them, make them talk what they want to talk. If you notice, me not to do interview and them thing there, you know, me just hold it, you know, me just, you know what I mean, what was meant for me, I got be for me, so me not really push it.
Definitely. So then you basically went from an alliance selector to a Beenie selector. That's what you're saying?
Beenie come and say, man, sign me and bag a thing and give me a bag of dub. And, you know what I mean, Angel, sorry for me and give me about 30,000. You know what I mean? And Beenie goes a boom and tell Blue, say, yo, put Hotta Ball on a couple I show them. So we went to Trinidad and a couple more small island. And you know what I mean? Yeah, people start calling me Beenie Man Selector. I'm going to take the title same way.
So you were the selector, and was this John Hype and John Scott was around same time? So it was you, Beenie Man, John Hype, and John Scott?
Yeah. That's how it goes, yeah. John Hype. You know what I mean? John Hype. Yeah, Beenie Man support John Hype right through. Beenie Man was like, you know, John Hype, I'm dancer. Because like, you know what I mean? Him and Bogle like never really knock in again. So him signed John Hype.
So did you officially sign to Beenie Man, or this was just talks
A talking sign,
that was
man.
being made?
You know, Jamaican thing a talking, man. Yeah, talking signing, man.
So then you knew at this time here, when you became the Beenie Man selector, you knew that, okay, this is going to be problems right here with you and Killer at this time here now. This is when you're aware of what's going on.
Them time them realize what go on.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.